Friday everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and in the channel I make budget with me, cash stuffing, saving challenges and more. If you're interested in this topic, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all the support. In today's video, I will be going over my October monthly budget. I know it's late, but better late than ever. And before we do, I realized that I haven't had any shout out for a long time, so I'm gonna give you some channel recommendation. As you can see, I changed the format of my monthly budget, and I was inspired by Budget. She's a fellow cash stuffer, and her channel she do cash stuffing, digital budgeting, and she's on a journey to financial freedom. A recent video I watched yesterday, where she went over a monthly budget and she kind of changed the spreadsheet format, and I was inspired to do the same. You should definitely check her channel out. And my other channel recommendation is she has cash and plan. She also do cash stuffing and saving challenges, and she's a new mom. Last month she gave birth to a baby boy, and he's really cute because if you go watch a video, a recent one, you can get a sneak peek of the baby, especially like this one. If you check out I'm a mom video, you can see him. Oh my god, yeah. And my other channel recommendation, she's one of my favorite YouTube budgeter because she's very supportive. Every time I post a video, she always check it out, she always comment. Originally from the Philippines but currently living in Canada. In the channel you will see some cash stuffing video and some challenges like no week. She's currently doing the no spend week challenge and stuff. Oh look, so cute. Yep, check out the channel. My third, fourth channel recommendation. She's fairly new to the cash stuffing world, 2 months ago. Her name is Dashu Budget. I followed her not too long ago, so I have some videos that I need to catch up, and I'm very behind on my videos but I'm planning to catch up this weekend. Yeah, she's from Haiti, same country as me, so go check her out. And next one, it's Budget Cutie. She's a European based budgeter, and she's on a journey to debt-free journey. She do budgeting, cash stuffing, and she's currently having a giveaway going on, so that's her perfect timing to go check her channel. Go check out the channel and enter the giveaway. Yep. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channel recommendation, and from now on I think I will try to give recommendation every time I post, like, you know, let you guys know which channel I'm currently watching, because there's like so many. At the top of my mind, my favorite one, Patty Cash and Coin, Taylor Budget, of course everyone know her. Abby Try to Budget. Oh, I love Black and Blue, especially like if you into also nails and stickers. So channel is nice. Yeah. Let me. Okay, so why does it say September? We are in October, so let's change this to October. So I get paid weekly, 603 times 4. So my normal pay usually it's like 2,412, but I did some overtime the past 2 weeks. So for side hustle and order, I'm gonna budget 150. And this 150 I already make half of that already working overtime, so that shouldn't be a problem for me to make up the other half. Retirement, we're gonna budget 700, and with this I will be done with my IRA for this year. 6,000 done because I already contribute 5,300 and 700 was what remaining, so we'll be done. So the 150 that I do side hustle will be going toward my saving challenge. Emergency fund, I start putting a little bit of money on my emergency fund. If you have watched my previous video, my digital second fund, instead of having 3,150, I decided to increase my emergency fund to 3,500. Rainy day fund, 15. And rainy day fund, it's pretty much similar. Oh, why is it not the total? Did I not put the formula? So enter. Okay. And rainy day fund, it's pretty much similar to emergency fund, only it's for those smaller occasional unexpected expenses. Because I'm like, figure if I have a $50 and $100 unexpected expense, I don't want to touch my emergency fund. I can just like take it out from my rainy day fund, and my goal is to have 500. And once I have 500 in that envelope, I won't put money on it. My emergency fund is in Ally Bank, and my rainy day fund, I'm planning to keep it in cash with me all the time. So for my expenses, so we have 1,647 left. For my mom, I'm gonna give her 500. My health insurance will be, it's fixed, 179. Or someone asked me why I'm paying for my health insurance and why is it not taken from my paycheck. The reason is because I'm currently a temp at my job, so I don't have health insurance from my job. I have health insurance from the marketplace, so I have to pay it myself. I apply for it myself, and it's like it's a subsidized government health insurance. You pay based on your income. So it's like 179. Phone, it's fixed. 30. My subscription, all of them 50. I need to cancel some, but I always say that never happened. And buffer, I want to have $21 just stay in my account. Just something happened. I'm slowly building it up. And leftover, it's 867 that we have to work with. Food will be getting 179. I'm living at home. 170. I'm living at home, so I get a lot of free food, which is why my food expense is low. Transportation will be 50. I don't have a car. I rely on public transportation. Entertainment 60. Spending will get 20. This one I'm just if I want something in Target, online, I use that money. Dollar Tree, my happy place, will get 18. Personal care will get 25, maybe 20. I don't think I need do I need something? Yeah, probably not. Copay, I do have a copay every time I go to the hospital, and also for my it's not only copay as well, it's also medicine over-the-counter medicine, vitamin. I will be using this envelope, and I'm gonna give it 12. Miscellaneous, if something happen, it's on budgeting item. If I have to spend, it won't be using that money, and giving will get 50. Of course I did not do the total. Let's do the total sum. Okay, then my total envelope is for 110, and we have 457 left. That's what we're gonna budget for my sinking fund. My own place, like I mentioned, I'm living at home, but I'm currently saving for a down payment for a condo. Birthday won't be getting anything. I have money left on my birthday envelope, and I only have one birthday left this year. It's for my brother, which is next month. My sister's birthday was this week, and I already buy her a gift. Christmas won't be getting anything. I'm done with my Christmas. Electronic will get 22. YouTube will get 11. I'm planning to have a giveaway in December. Gifts will get 5. Gifts are basically gift that is not related to birthday. For example, if I'm giving someone Mother's Day, Father's Day, or if there's like an holiday, or if someone is like retired, or someone having a party, I need to contribute, those type of gifts. Car, even though I'm perfectly happy taking public transportation, but I'm saving for a new car. Allowance, this is my own money that I can spend guilt free, will be getting 20. Vacation will be getting 7. Clothes, I have $89 in my envelope if I'm not mistaken, so I have enough to order some stuff in Shein. Personal development for classes, if I decide to take 30. What do we have left? We have $62 left. And health self-care, we get 5. medical will get 12, and this medical is different from my copay. It's just money that I'm currently saving because I want to have $1,000 saved for related for unexpected future medical expense. Vision will get 20. I have to change my glasses next year, and we have 25 left, and this 25 will go to dental. Yep, and this is a zero-based budget. I was able to give every dollar get a purpose. Yeah, that was like, how do you guys like my new budget format? Let's put it very low so you guys can see the whole thing. I changed it because before this is how it was. So this was like how it was before. I was like one line, so I changed it a little bit. I mean, it's still simple, but yep. So thank you so much for watching my budget with me, and now that I am done with it, I'm gonna film my cash stuffing for paycheck 1 and 2 because I get paid weekly every Thursday, and I already receive 2 paycheck on the 7th and then yesterday. Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, bye, take care, have a great weekend.